Protect your jewelry, money, important documents, and personal valuables with the lifelong digital safe locker. Designed for convenient everyday security, this digital locker features a clear LED display, a built-in alarm system, durable metal shaft locking system, and external battery access. Inside the box, you will receive one digital safety locker, 2 emergency override keys, 4 expansion bolts with clamping screws, and 1 user manual. For the first time, insert the emergency override key, turn the key to unlock, then rotate the knob clockwise and open the door. Open the battery compartment and insert 4 AA batteries, ensuring each battery is placed according to the correct positive and negative markings. To set your personal passcode, press the reset button located inside the safe, enter a new 426-digit password and press the hash key to confirm. Your personal passcode is now set. To open the safe, enter your password, press the hash key to confirm, then rotate the knob clockwise after the safe unlocks. The spacious interior provides secure and organized storage for jewelry, money, documents, and other important belongings. For additional security, the locker can be mounted to a wall or secured to the floor using the mounting holes provided at the back and base. Place the safe in your desired location, ensure it is properly aligned. Mark the mounting positions with a pencil, remove the safe, drill the mounting holes, then reposition the safe and tighten the clamping screws until it is firmly secured. Always keep the emergency override keys in a secure location outside the safe and never store them inside the locker. Secure your everyday valuables with smart digital access and dependable protection from the lifelong digital safe locker. Build for better living.